Hello, my students. Hello, my learners. Hello, my fans in this YouTube channel. My name is Teacher Gideon Machoni, and today I'm going to take you through the sentences of this Swahili and English languages. Also, we have another one language added, and I will tell you which language is it. But if you understand this language, then well, we will move on with it. I was asking if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe because it is free. You subscribe to my YouTube channel, just hit that button of subscription and we move on. So we are going to look at the sentence number 0. Number 0, it says what work do you do? What work do you do? What work do you do? That is English, and it is a question. What work do you do? What work do you do? In the other language, it is ukoriki, 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 ukoriki. In Kiswahili, unafanya kazi gani? Unafanya kazi gani? Okay? And the other one here, it is what work you do. What work you do. So today I'm going to teach 4 languages. The 2, I don't know them, but if you understand them, then fine. We move on with it. What work do you do? Do you do? Okay. Number 1 now. I am a farmer. I am a farmer. Ndumurimi. Ndumurimi. Okay, let me not lie to you, because this language I don't know it, but I'll have to teach you. You will read it and you will understand it. Okay? Ndumurimi. That means I am a farmer. Ndumurimi. Ndumurimi. Okay? In Kiswahili, mi ni mkulima. Mi ni mkulima. And the other one here in green, it says I'm farmer. I'm farmer. I'm farmer. Okay? Number 2, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Ndumwigisha. Ndumwigisha. Okay? Ndumwigisha. Mi ni mwalimu. Mi ni mwalimu. I'm a teacher. I'm a teacher. Number 3, I am a student. I am a student. Ndumunyeshure. Ndumunyeshure. Ndumunyeshure, okay? Ndumunyeshure. Mi ni mwanafunzi. Mi ni mwanafunzi. I'm a student. I'm a student. I'm a student. Number 4, I am a cleaner. I am a cleaner. Ngori siku. Ngori. Nkori siku. Ngori suki. Ngori suku. Mi ni msafishaji. Mi ni msafishaji. Okay? Mi ni msafishaji. I'm a cleaner. I'm a cleaner. In green, I'm a cleaner. Okay? That is number 4. I'm a cleaner. Number 5, I am a governor. I am a governor. Ndibura matatari. Ndibura matatari. Ndibura matatari. Mi ni governor. Mi ni governor. That is Swahili. Mi ni governor. I'm a governor. I'm a governor. Number 6, government. Government. Number 6, government. Intwaro au or leta. Intwaro leta. Intwaro leta. Yeah? Serikali. Serikali. You there? Serikali. Governmenti. Governmenti. Okay? Government. Are we there? Government. Number 7. I am a doctor. I am a doctor. Ndi muganga. The second red language, it is a Ugandan language. Ndi muganga. I am a doctor. Ndi muganga in Ugandan language. Ndi muganga. In Kiswahili, mimi ni daktari. I'm a dogita. Number 8. Hospital. Number 8. Hospital. Ibitaro. Ugandan, ibitaro. Kiswahili, hospitali. Hospital. Number 9. I am a president. Uganda, ndumukuru w'igihugu. Ndumukuru w'igihugu. Mi ni rais. Number 10. Country. Ugandan, igihugu. Kiswahili, nchi. Country. Are we there? Country. So I start. What work do you do? Ukoriki. Unafanya kazi gani? What work do you do? Number 1. I am a farmer. Ndumurimiye. Mimi ni mkulima. I'm a farmer. Number 2. I am a teacher. Ndumwigisha. Mimi ni mwalimu. I'm a teacher. Number 3. I am a student. Ndumunyeshure. Mimi ni mwanafunzi. I'm a student. Number 5. I am a governor. Are you there? Number 5, I am a governor. We are going to go to number 4. Number 5, I am a governor. Ndibura matatari. Mi ni governor. I'm a governor. Number 4, I am a cleaner. Ngori isuku. Mi ni msafishaji. I'm a cleaner. We're going to look at number 6. Number 6, it says government. Intwaro or leta. Intwaro au leta. Serikali. Government. Number 7, I am a doctor. Ndi muganga. Mimi ni daktari. I'm a doctor. Hospital. Ibitaro. Hospital. Number 8. ibitaro, hospitali, hospital. Number 9. I am a president. I am a president. Ndumukuru w'igihugu. Ndumukuru w'igihugu. Mini rais. Mini rais. I'm a president. Number 10. Country. Igihugu. Inchi. Country. Country. Igihugu. Nchi. Country. So guys, my name is Teacher Gideon Machoni, and I will be taking you through Swahili and English together with other languages that I'm going to introduce them soon. So this is part 21 of learning Swahili and English. My name is Teacher Gideon Machoni. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I will be asking you to subscribe so that when I'll be posting more languages, you'll get your language there and you will learn what you doesn't know. So once again, I appreciate every support that you have been there for me, and you have been there supporting this channel, and I would like you to share it to your friend who knows the language that you don't know, so that he or she can learn it. Thank you so much for your time, and may God bless you. Have a nice time.